QGIS, Quantum Geographic Information Systems, free and open source GIS system. I use Soar to enhance my GIS work. Soar has many other uses, but I find that it greatly enhances my ability to do things in GIS. So coming at this from a professional map maker standpoint is where I'm coming from, but many other reasons to use Soar. If you go to QGIS.org, you'll get to this website and hit the download now button, and it will download the latest version of QGIS. You can use Windows, Mac, or Linux. I've got Windows here. If I double click the download button, it will start to download the file. I already have it installed, so I'm going to close that off. But download the file, no username or password or anything. It just opens up and you will install it on your machine. And when you do so, you will get to something like this. So here is a map I've been working on in Jamestown, Rhode Island. We've got everything here, a lot of buttons, right? It's kind of complicated software, but it's extremely powerful and you can't beat the price. So if you've heard of ArcGIS Pro and Esri products, it's doing the same thing, only it's free and open source. This is sort of the table of contents. As I click things on and off, they will show up here. Let me go back to my original file, right? So if I click the roads, they will disappear. The wetlands will disappear. I can change all these colors. I can do a lot of cartographic wizardry. And there's a lot you can do. I can add in other base layers, right? Or aerial photographs or terrain models, whatever it might be. A lot of stuff you can do. You can also do georeferencing right through QGIS. So I can take an image, a JPEG. We talked about GeoTIFFs earlier. I can take that JPEG that's not connected to the Earth, use this program, and we're going to do a video on that and show you how, and get that to a GeoTIFF file that can be loaded directly into Soar. It will know where it is on the Earth and lock itself down. So that's another great use of QGIS and Soar together. We can also set up paper layouts, right? So I've got this lined up on a piece of paper here, right? Something a little more polished. You can take your data, you can take your images, you can take whatever you're using in Soar and get them out of Soar and put them onto a piece of paper and lay it out with a title and a scale bar and add all the information you want, kind of make it more of a presentation piece rather than just like an image or something. We have the Soar browser over here, a plugin. We will do a whole section on that separately because I can pull any map that's in Soar. I can pull right into QGIS through that plugin. So it's got some cool functionality, but we'll do that in a separate video. It needs more time. So that's QGIS. It's just sort of the basic overview. If you want to, if you're into maps, I would encourage you to learn QGIS. I've got classes on it. There's lots of stuff you can find online or on YouTube, whatever. But it is really powerful software, and really, if you're into mapping, very, very powerful. Can't beat the price, and you can do a lot of great things with it. So that's QGIS in a nutshell.